So finally Google has made this AI try on feature live, but this time this feature is only launching in US. So for those who don't know what this feature is all about, imagine you are searching for some clothes online, let's say in Google, and you find a lot of results. And what if you wanted to see how this particular outfit will look on you? In that case, earlier what we will do is we will download that image and we will go to any image rating AI or chat GPTs, let's say, and we will upload our own image first and then the outfit which we want to try and ask it to, hey, just mix this both images. So to avoid all these mess up things, Google has brought this try on AI feature. So whenever you go to any shopping site online, you will be having this try on button over there. If you click it, and you just need to upload your own image, and Google will automatically put that cloth onto you. So now let's see how this is going to work, and this feature is launched in US as of now. So just go to Google and just search the particular outfit that you want. I'm just going with blue coat suit, and this feature exactly works the same way in your mobile phone also, exact same steps. Now after searching this, you can just go to shopping. So here we will be having these many results. You can just click on any of these. For example, let me just go with this one, and here we will be having this try it on icon. Click it, and in some cases it will show you turn on your web activity. So you need to click that and go to your Google account and turn on the web activity. After that, if you just refresh your page, you'll be having this get started. So click it, and here this has given us some parameters, how and what kind of photo that we need to upload so that the outfit matches well. So these are the things that we shouldn't do. One is sitting down images, facing backward images, baggy clothes images, and this is the right posture that we need to maintain in the image. Full body view, good lighting, just as no hands in pocket. And this is going to be the photo that I'm going to upload. So I will just go here and choose this image. So it's creating the image, so just be patient. It takes around 10 to 20 seconds, and we have got the result over here. So for comparison, this is the previous image, how it looks. It has retained the posture exactly, and even the background is same. So if I go here, we are having this arrow icon, right? If I click this, this will show us the previous image. This is the edited image, and next is going to be the image which we are trying to replicate. So it has beautifully added the coat, the tie, and even to the extent that it has changed his pants. So that's how amazing it is, and we'll be having the recently tried images over here. It will be appearing it. So let's suppose say I'm going to try another image. For example, in this case, red color t-shirt. So here I'm having this one. I'll just click this, and try it on is there. So now it will automatically take that image that we have previously uploaded. So as you saw that, right, I just clicked on try it on, and the process of conversion got automatically started. So you don't have to manually upload each and every one of your images, and boom, it has beautifully done it. The previous old image, which is the original image, and then it has added this Levi's shirt, and how amazing it has done it. And if you click it, the previous generations will be appearing over here, so we can have a track of what are the dress we are uploading. In case if you want to remove it, you can just click this remove, and if you want to replace this image, you can just click it. You can either delete the original photo, and you can just upload a new photo that will basically replace this image. And that's this feature, guys. Currently it has been rolled out in US, and soon to be rolled out in all the countries also. So do let me know in the comments what you feel about it. Subscribe me. Also check the playlist of my channel. A lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Thanks for watching.